Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and review the PITAKA MagEZ Case 5 for iPhone 15 Pro Max. PITAKA isn't a new brand that we're covering on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. As usual, we cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. And your smartphone, and importantly phone cases as well, can make quite a difference in your travel experience. A good case will protect your phone, but depending on the conditions, you might prefer a more slimline case like the PITAKA MagEZ Case 5 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, or a more chunky case, such as the PITAKA MagEZ Case Pro 4 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now, we've already covered this case, and it is a little bit chunkier than the standard MagEZ case. So what I'm going to do is take the MagEZ Case Pro 4 off my phone, if I can get under it. There we go. You can see there's quite a bit of cat fluff and dust that's collected on my phone underneath the case, but there we go. That's wiped off pretty simply. And you can see my blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's start by unpackaging this box. The box is fairly simple. Has nice sort of rough finish. It's obviously not 100% new cardboard, with PITAKA branding, details of the case and the fact that it is compatible with MagSafe. It is also made with aramid fiber, and we'll go into that in a little bit more detail in a moment. But for now, let's open the packaging. Whoops. And this is the case cover that we've seen before: recycled cardboard and biodegradable materials, all the usual environmentally friendly buzzwords. But let's get into the case itself, if this opens. There we go. So as we saw on the front packaging, this is part of the series of Sunset and Moonrise MagEZ cases for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Be light, be lively. And you have a little QR code for the official WeChat account if you need support. But it should be pretty straightforward. There's another bit of documentation here. Gives you a bit of details in English and Chinese. The fact that it's more environmentally friendly, and some clear instructions on how to put the case on and take it off. Good to see that. Sometimes people do watch our videos just to see how to do that. And luckily this time we don't need to do any working out of it ourselves. We've got some good documentation. So this is the PITAKA MagEZ Case 5 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can see that it's woven texture, and that's because it is actually woven. This is made out of something called aramid fiber. Conceptually, it's very similar to carbon fiber. It's just a different underlying plastic that's being used for the weaving. And if you look very, very carefully, you can see the weave of the different strands of aramid fiber here. And so this is a plastic case, MagSafe compatible, which is super light and super thin, and is made out of this woven color. In this case, it is in the sunset color. Later in the week, maybe next week, we will also be covering the Moonrise version. So make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks to see that. So in terms of construction, it seems quite light and flexible. That's good. Let's pop our iPhone 15 Pro Max in. Very simply, align your camera module with a camera module hole. Pop it in, and that's it. It clips in place. So first impressions is, yes, this is very close to a caseless feeling on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now I'm going to be traveling at the weekend, so compared to the chunkier version, this will be much easier to pop my phone in and out of pockets as I go through airports and get to my final destination. It gives me the overall feeling that my iPhone is much lighter and thinner than it was. Obviously there's a trade-off there, there's not as much protection for the smartphone, but if you're careful with your phone, this might be a good product for you. The important thing for me is that it has good camera protection, and yes, it does have a nice raised edge here for covering that camera module. And if you look really carefully, there is a little bit of texting here, text embossed in that camera module protector, which says, "I was a phone case." I don't know if that's a quick callback to the fact that this will be recyclable, because aramid fiber is recyclable, but nice little detail there. Obviously you've got the PITAKA logo there. The back is completely flat, it works, and here we go. Yep, everything is good in terms of the edging and how it holds onto my phone. I do have a glass screen protector on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and that isn't interfered with in any way by this PITAKA MagEZ Case 5 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so that's a good thing. Now at the top here, you'll see that there's a little cutout that has no functional unit. There's no holes for microphones on the iPhone here, but it just makes the case just slightly lighter, though it does expose the top edge of your screen and of the phone in case you were to unfortunately drop it on that part. On the left hand side we have cutouts for the volume rocker and almost as importantly that quick action button. At the bottom we have perfect cutouts for the USB Type-C port and the microphone and speaker vents, asymmetric as they have been for quite a few years. On the right we have a cutout for the power button, all feels good, and just in general this really makes me want to use my iPhone more. I don't use my iPhone as much as I use my Google Pixel 8 Pro, but this case and the way I'm using it I think will make for a very pleasant ergonomic experience. I also like the fact that I can feel the weaving on it. As I said, aramid fiber is similar to carbon fiber conceptually, but this is a unique and advanced technology that PITAKA have developed and is their material. What I like about it is the actual feel. You know, it's a bit like a twill material, if that makes sense. You've got that feel of the texture there. So I have to say I'm quite happy with this case. I think it does a good job. Let me just do a final check to see. Yep, it works with the MagSafe charger on my desk, so that's a good sign. As usual, what I'll do is link in the description to where you can purchase this case, and you can look up more details about the MagEZ case or MagEZ 5 case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max on the PITAKA website. If you have any other questions, you'd like to know more, please do leave us a comment in the section below. As I said, we will be covering the Moonrise version, so this is the sunset version of this case from PITAKA, and we'll be covering the Moonrise version in a future video, just to see if there's any differences or if it accessorizes better with my blue iPhone. Right, let's wrap up this video with the usual thanks for watching, if you made it this far into me waffling on about a phone case. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, anything we think makes the travel experience better. So thanks again for watching, and goodbye from us.